How to turn off commenting on Instagram posts. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can turn off comments on Instagram posts. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to turn off comments on Instagram posts, what you need to do is to just go ahead and launch the Instagram application first and go to your profile page, and depending upon on which post you really want to hide the comments, you have to just select that specific post. And once you select the specific post, what you need to do is to simply tap on the three dots from the very top right hand side of the screen, and at the bottom you'll find the option called turn off commenting. If you don't find this option, try to actually go ahead and switch to public or private account. If you have public, try to switch to private. If you have private, try to switch to public, and vice versa. And just go to the option called turn off commenting. Once you do that, you can see comments are actually turned off and no one else will be able to actually comment on this specific post until you go ahead and review it manually, or you could tap on the review controls button and you can hide more comments, manage custom word list, allow comments from specific people, change privacy settings for this post, or turn on commenting. And that's all it takes to turn off comments on Instagram posts. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.